All right, today I have a Mazda CX-5 2019. You can go give me a thumbs up. I'll appreciate it tremendously. Today I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats for more cargo space. As you can see, I have the trunk open. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and reach in. If you can't reach in, you can probably do this from the back seat and find this lever right here. Make sure your front seats are up far enough so you can lay down the seats flat. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this up and the seats fall forward. And remember what I said, make sure the front seats are flat or else this back rear seats will not go down all the way. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna do that right there. Let me go ahead and go into the side of the vehicle. All right, and I'm going to actually press it down. So I'm gonna remove the seatbelt right here and I'm just gonna go ahead and press that down. Do you see that rear seat right here? It is all the way down, all right, laying down flat. Now I can do the same thing with the driver's side, but I need to scoot this driver's side seat up. All right, so that's how you lay down the rear seats like that. All right, let me know if you have any questions.